what's going on? I'm hoping you can hear me say that every time, but I'm actually using a microphone this time. As you can see, the weather is absolutely awful. I wanted to come out yesterday, but I was just busy doing other things. At the moment, I'm still running the 13-tooth sprocket, which is alright. I mean, it's not ideal. It just requires me to change gear all the time. Yeah, as I said, I haven't used this microphone setup in ages, so I'm not too sure where it's going to be working properly. But pretty much for the last few weeks I've been commuting with the RS. So as long as this audio is alright, I'll make a video and just explain like what I think. 'Cause the RS is actually a surprisingly good commuter for the sort of journey I've got. So yeah, I'll make a video on that. Bloody hell. It still surprised me the amount of acceleration. As I said earlier, I'm going to be making a commuting video with my RS and maybe with the MX just so you can compare it all. But the RS is a decent commuter. It sits at 55 fairly happily. I mean, it's revving fairly high, but it's not getting too hot. And then the top end will do 70 fairly easily. But it's enough to get you out of a few situations. The first time I properly went on the dual carriageway on this MX, I had a bit of difficulty. When I went to overtake, I sort of got a bit of headwind and I just didn't have any more power to pull me out like when I was overtaking. So it can be a bit of a disadvantage having small bikes, but I think it will make you think a bit more about what you do. Can't even find the bloody lens. Oh, boots are gonna start squelching in a minute. Trousers a bit wet. Luckily I've got my luminous high-vis jacket. One thing I forgot to mention, quite a big thing, I've got a new bike. It's a project one. I've finally got it running, well, if you call it running, but that will be revealed probably at the time that I take it for the MOT. That's normally the next major step, get it fixed, get it running, and then MOT, and then, but it's a 125, 4-stroke, yeah, and that's it. I won't say anything else. But pretty much it was a non-runner. It's just been sat for 2 years or so. Really low mileage for the year. It's got 4,000 miles, which is, yeah, surprisingly good. Full service history, all of that. Everything seems to work. Apart from one issue, which is the forks don't have much compression on the front. Now, I'm not sure whether it's just the seal was gone and all the, I don't know, it's just knackered after being sat for so long. But I think I'm going to try and get it through the MOT without touching it. Just see what they say. last time with the Project RS, the rear suspension was really solid, and he just put it out as an advisory, luckily. So I guess if it still functions, not too dangerous, then they might let it go. Say about 7 months until I can take my test now. I'm definitely not counting down the days. I've had a few people ask me what I'm going to do with the RS, MX and whatever bike I have at the time. And I'm really not too sure. It all depends on what A2 bike I get. Because if I get like a full-on supermoto A2 bike, and then maybe I won't need the MX. But then again, if I get a crossover sort of like sport, I might want to keep the MX. And for the RS, I'm not too sure. I hadn't ridden it for at least a month, and as soon as I got back on it, it just felt odd. I really didn't feel comfortable on it. It kept dying. I've made a point of using it, not every day, but as much as I can now to keep it going. Thanks for watching, and see you later.